How does ChatGPT actually work? Now we are on layer 5, which is the pre-training and probability, and we see this letter a lot, yet a lot of people are ignoring it, and it's actually within the name ChatGPT. And it's the letter P, and it stands for pre-trained. And this is actually the most important one, because this is actually how the AI learns to predict what comes next, or actually, to know what the next token or the next word actually is. So imagine, for example, just locking a student in a library for an entire night and saying them to learn everything that they can. And what I'm then going to do is I will present you with a sentence, I will hide the last word, and I need you to guess what it is. At first, the AI, when it's doing this guess, will guess something, quite dumb. So when it says the cat sat on, and it might say the word sandwich, obviously that is wrong. And what will happen here is that we will then just rewire the inner weights of the AI, and we will let it run again to do this test again. And this test will be done, this process will happen trillions of times over websites, books, and code until it gets it right. You are rewiring its brain to reduce this type of error. And then eventually you will get to a stage where the model actually stops guessing, it starts to learn patterns. So it will know that when you say the words once upon a time, it should be followed by a story. It will learn physics, it will learn humor, a variety of things, it will learn also how to code, all from the different sources that it's being trained on, and that process is being done a lot of times. Now it becomes a very good word predictor. So for example, if you now say to it at this level, how do I bake a cake? It may then come back to you and say, and cookies, for example, because it's completing the sentence. So how do we change this predictor into an actual helpful chatbot, which is what we're familiar with? And that's what comes in the next layer, which is fine tuning.